Good morning friends. Today we'll see one of the tip how to detect language using detect language function in Google spreadsheet. You many times we are getting right in Google spreadsheet. Suppose the data is in front of you and you want to check what in which language this particular data is available. For example, if you observe here in this particular sheet, I'll show you this particular part so that it will be clear to you. For example, suppose this is the sheet that I have. Here you can see that we have MR means Marathi language, HI means Hindi language, AR means Arabic language. So likewise we have what different languages and the text is available in different languages. For example, I want to check whether this Mahesh is in which language, whether it is in Hindi or Marathi, that I have to check. So what I need to do, I need to go for what the function known as detect language. So simply write down equal, then say detect language. This function is available and you need to simply give what the range, okay, or you can give the cell. The moment you are doing that, simply say that, okay, it is loading and it will show you what the result. See that, you can see that here it's coming like Hindi. Okay, so same we can go with, let's say, Arabic. Okay, so here instead of H2 we'll give H4 so that it should give us what the Arabic. So let's say, let's try for that. Okay, and now you will understand that AR, this AR means what. See here it is given that AR, this AR means what, Arabic. So this way you can use this function known as detect language. I have given all the details in description. Based on that you can always use this particular function. Thank you friend.